Hello friends, today my topic of discussion is vitamin C, immunity and COVID-19. As we know, COVID-19 is a pandemic which has affected the whole world. So at first of all, we have to understand what is immunity and what are the types of immunity in human body. It is of two types, that is innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Innate is the defense mechanism that is present basically in the skin and digestive system and the natural killing mechanism of the body. Adapted is the acquired or specific immune response, means a specific antibody is produced in the body so that it can fight with any foreign material such as coronavirus. Now the role of vitamin C or what the researchers say. Dr. Robert Cathcart was the first one who supported theory of high doses of vitamin C which cured the ill conditions like pneumonia. So it was proven that vitamin C has antiviral properties. And what is vitamin C and ascorbic acid? It is a daily, you can say, water soluble vitamin present in our food products which we consume daily. It can prevent the respiratory and systemic infections. So it is proved that vitamin C can be beneficial in the respiratory disorders, and pneumonia is also one of them. Now, foods that are to be taken to improve immunity are the vitamin C rich foods that can be amla, guava, orange juice, ripe papaya, strawberry. The values are already given per 100 grams, which are according to ICMR and NIN. The foods that improve immunity further are pineapple, green chilies, cabbage, drumstick leaves or Moringa oleifera is the another name for these, that is being used in the making of sambar in the South Indian homes or in North Indian as well. So the daily dosage of vitamin C as per the NIN, that is National Institute of Nutrition, and ICMR is 40 mg per day for the adults. So in recent studies that are done in the China and USA that showed that vitamin C supplementation improves the condition of COVID-19 patients. With this video, I am not claiming any cures, but surely we can prevent and fight with COVID-19 with nutrition. So vitamin C can be taken with the food products that are available around our homes. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video.